We're going to look at percent applications in this section, and then you're going to have just a small little quiz type thing on Blackboard to put in your answers. So when you're working on the application problems, you want to make sure that you're reading the problem carefully, look for keywords, and then make sure you read the problem again and that you're answering the question that was asked. So we will be working with that percent proportion, percent over 100 equals part over whole. The whole is generally the original amount. Your part usually refers to a discount or a tax amount, and this is the amount by which the original price will be increased or decreased. For a rate, just remember a rate is going to be the percent used in calculating tax or a discount. Commission is going to be the portion of the house's selling price that a real estate agent receives as payment. Tax is the value that's added to the original or the sale price of an item. And a discount is going to be the value that's subtracted from the original price of an item. So here we're going to start looking at some examples. Here we're looking at the discount on a television is $150. This represents a discount of 20%. So we're going to calculate the original cost of the television. Remember, we're working with that percent over 100 equals part over whole. So we have the percentage here. It's 20%. So 20 over 100 equals. We know the discount amount. We're looking for the original cost. The original cost is going to be your whole. So that's our unknown, or our X. 150 is the discount amount. Now you're just going to solve by doing cross multiplication and division. So we have 20x equals 100 times 150 is going to give me 15,000. And then divide that by your 20, and I'm getting x equals 750. And the question was, what is the original cost? So $750 is the original cost of the television. In number 2, it says 2% discount on a walrus tent saved Melanie $75. Determine the original price of the tent. Okay, so 2% over 100. So 2 over 100 equals, we know how much she saved, that's our part, and we're looking for that original cost. So I have 2x equals 7,500, and then you're going to divide by 2, and that gives us that x is $3,750, and that was the original cost of the tent. Here we're going to look at commission. So we know how much commission this real estate agent is earning. They're earning $14,940 on the sale of the house, and this commission rate for this agent is 6%. So what was their selling price of the house? So we're going to do 6 over 100 equals the commission that she made over the sale price of the house. So I have 6s equals 100 times 1490.40, and that's going to give you 1494,000. Divide that by 6. So the original selling price of the house, or the selling price of the house, was $249,000. The tax amount on a $549 camcorder is $30.20, and it asks us to find the sales tax rounded to the nearest tenth of a percent. So we are looking for this tax amount. You could write it T, or if you want to keep that as, making sure, remember that that's your percent, you could just put P over 100 equals. So we know that the tax amount was $30.20 on a $549 camcorder. We are going to cross multiply. So 549p equals 100 times 3020 is 3020. and then you are going to divide. So 3,020 divided by 549 gives me that P equals and we're getting 5009, but this does say round to the nearest tenth, so there's my tenths place. The 0 isn't going to change it, so it's 5.5%. And you want to make sure that you're putting those units with it. Determine the total cost of a portable CD player that sells for $53 if the tax rate is 7%. So we are talking about total cost, so we're going to have a little bit of an extra step in here at the very end. I'm going to find my tax first. So what is the tax amount on the $53? So I have 100T equals, and 7 times 53 gives me 371, and then I'm going to divide by 100. So my tax amount is $3.71, but it's asking for the total cost. So you want to make sure that you go back and do, okay, well, the price is $53 plus the amount of tax that they're paying for, and when you add those together, you should get $56.71. Here we're looking at a problem where they're splitting a bill. So 4 friends go out to dinner and decide to share the total cost equally. The meal cost $89.02, and the friends are going to leave a 15% tip. So how much will each friend pay? So we want to figure out first, what is the 15% tip of the cost of the meal? So I'm going to do 15 over 100 equals, this is going to be my tip amount, over 89.02. So we need to solve this first. So I have 100T equals, and you do your 15 times 89.02, and I get 1335.3. Divide that by 100, and we get a tip amount of 1335. I am rounding because we're talking about money here. Okay, now we need to do 89.02 plus the 1335, and we get 102.37. But we have 4 friends that's splitting this, so now I want to divide by 4. And I'm getting 25.59 each. In your workbook on page 27, there are some practice problems, 4% problems. Please go through and do these, and then I'm going to pull some for a little quick check for our attendance assignment from the class that was missed yesterday. So again, that's pages 27 to 30, and then I will be pulling a couple for you to do as a Blackboard quiz quick check.